What if you could see your future, every single day? Not just imagine it, but actually see it. That's the power of a vision board. A vision board isn't just paper, scissors, and pictures, it's a declaration, a visual contract with your future self. And today we're going to make one. First, grab a few things, a board, some magazines, scissors, glue, or just open up a digital canvas. This isn't about being creative, it's about being clear. Before you cut a single image, ask yourself, what do I truly want? What does my ideal life look like? Where do I want to live? What kind of energy do I want to wake up with? Who do I want to be surrounded by? Now start searching. Look for images, words, colors, even quotes that feel like your future. Not just what's impressive, but what's authentic. This board isn't for anyone else, it's for you. Stick each image down with intention. As you place it, say to yourself, I'm creating this, because you are. Science backs this up. Visualization activates the same brain regions as real experiences. Athletes, entrepreneurs, high achievers, they've been using this for decades. But here's the real secret. A vision board works best when you don't just look at it, but when you start to align with it. Every choice you make, ask yourself, does this move me toward that board or away from it? Keep your vision board somewhere visible, not tucked away in a drawer. Put it where your future self would put it, front and center, and revisit it often. Update it, refine it, grow with it. Because you're not just chasing goals, you're building alignment. You're choosing your direction, again and again. And when life gets noisy, when you lose clarity, your board will remind you who you decided to become. So go ahead, grab the scissors, open the app, cut, paste, and visualize. You're not crafting a collage, you're designing a future. And if this helped you see your next chapter more clearly, subscribe. Not just for more videos, but because every time you do, you help someone else find the clarity to begin.